Guten Morgen aus Worcester. Ja, ich habe eine Jacke an, obwohl es hier so 20, 30 Grad hat, weil sobald ich aus dieser Halle rausgehe, werdet ihr nichts mehr verstehen. Und es ist geisteskrank windig. Wir haben bestimmt Wind von 40, 50 km/h am Boden. Hier vorne sieht man gleich die Rotoren, ich zeige sie euch. So, jetzt gehen wir mal raus. Here you can see the weather forecast from SkySight. We have lots of waves with climb rates up to 3 meters per second. I have a SkySight voucher, you can find it in the description or at this link in the top. Also was geschieht hier? Ich tanke damit wir schneller fliegen können. This is the well-known glider pilot called 𝗦ci𝗰𝗶𝘀𝗀. He lives here and he explains the weather to us every morning and he's so experienced in this area. I've never experienced wind like this. It's insane without an engine. If you land out, the glider is probably gonna crash. So today's mission is going to land out. Also, wir sind jetzt in der Welle. Der Einstieg war gar nicht mal so schwer. Ich fand, der Rotor war gar nicht so turbulent. Was sagst du, Reinhard?
Ja, es war eigentlich schön. Rotor war nicht sehr turbulent und dann flüssig in die Welle. Ins 3 Meter laminare Steigen.
Ja, so lässt sich's aushalten. Once again, I want to mention the program that enables us, Carol and me, to fly here, which is called WeCoach. This is a trainings program and we are sponsored to come here, get coached by really professional trainers, and otherwise we wouldn't be able to afford that and would never experience all the stuff that we can learn here. So thanks again, WeCoach, and enjoy the footage.
Ja, Uli, Markus, an der Stelle, wo ihr gekreist habt, sind wir jetzt im Prinzip in der Welle.
Ja, wir sind unter euch, wir haben euch im Plan.
Unfortunately, the wave was located right above or beneath an airspace, depends how you put it. But we weren't able to climb as high and also the clouds were 8 octaves. So we had to go down again, back to the ridges and gain some speed and fly cross country, not in the wave but at normal altitude. So we collected 700 kilometers that day and it was insane to race along the ridges. It looks like at the Avatar movie, you know, the planet Pandora, just that the dragons are missing, but it's insane, really. I enjoy it a lot. If you have already flown in Worcester, you can see this little hole of clouds and mountain. And you know that you don't have to be afraid because you know what comes after this ridge. And we fly through it, but you have to be taught this. So without a trainer, I would have never ever crossed this hole. You have to know what's behind it. So after you have crossed this particular point, you will be able to jump to the next ridge and then you will reach the ocean. And this is what we've done and the views have been incredible. If you go on WeGlide, you can always check out our latest flights, and especially this one is really interesting because we not only flew wave but we also went to see the ocean, which is right at the border between the Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Ocean. So the next video is gonna be really exciting because I'm gonna show you how we flew along the coastline with insane footage, and I've never seen something as insane as these views and I'm really looking forward to share it with you. So make sure to stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Bye!